I don't eat grains because it causes weight gain. So I eat only vegetables, fruits, and lentils, and I'm good. Are you ready to have some fun with science today? I know that some of you might not find science that exciting, but stick with me here. Today we are going to talk about a topic that affects all of us, whether we realize it or not: food. To be more specific, we're going to talk about the importance of grains as a food group. I know you're thinking, grains, how boring. But I promise you, the scientific data we're going to discuss today will simply blow your mind. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. It's largely believed that most beneficial effects are due to presence of both soluble as well as insoluble fiber in whole grains. Like this study suggested that was published in 2020. A systematic review and meta-analysis of 45 studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020 found that consuming whole grains was associated with reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. And not just this, every 30 grams more grains per day meant 17% lower risk of the disease. Not just this, many studies have pointed at the role of whole grains in minimizing chances of obesity, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, and yes, even breast cancer. Whole grains are an incredible source of healthy plant protein as well, according to a study published last year. Therefore, it makes sense to include whole grains, rather a variety of whole grains in each of your meal. Eat all types of millets, all unprocessed types of rice, all types of pseudo grains. Well, eat a variety of grains, whole grains. And yes, if there is any kind of grain that must be avoided, it is processed and refined grains, because during processing, grain loses its fiber, protein, most of the vitamins, minerals, and all that is left is refined carbohydrates, and you're not getting any of the above benefits. And in fact, refined grain products like bakery goods, confectionery, sweets, etc. are linked with higher chances of metabolic syndrome. And how much grain should you eat daily? Have a look at this picture. Approximately 20% of your total calories must come from whole grains. Whole grains are crucial to our well-being and are simply indispensable. So, make whole grains a part of your regular meals.